Do you ever feel like everyone's got an opinion on your life? The more you share, the more people find ways to bring you down. It's exhausting, right? But what if I told you there's real power in going ghost, in a stepping back, disappearing, and working on yourself without anyone watching? It's like pulling off the ultimate glow up while the world sleeps on you. This isn't about hiding forever. It's about leveling up in silence and re-emerging so strong, so transformed that you don't even need validation anymore. It's about being so confident in your opinion of yourself that the rest don't matter. Today I'm going to show you how to disappear the right way, what to do while you're in the shadow, how to come back and own the room. Ready to level up? Let's dive in. Step 1. Disappearing like a pro. Zip it, seriously. Here's the deal. Oversharing is a trap. The more people know about your plans, the more they will either criticize or distract you. From now on, stop sharing every detail about your life, even with close friends and family. Does that sound harsh? Maybe. But think of it like this. The less energy you spend explaining yourself to others, the more energy you have to invest in yourself. Your goals are your treasure. Don't give anyone a map to steal them. Care less, a lot less. Gen Z gets this better than most. Caring about what others think is a waste of time. But let's be honest, it's easier said than done. The secret is shifting your focus inward. Ask yourself, am I proud of who I am? Am I proud of what I'm doing? If the answer is no, change it for you, not for likes, not for clout, but because you want to look in the mirror and feel good about the person staring back. Step 2. The glow up in the shadows. Keep your wins low-key. You know that urge to post every win on social media? Resist it. Whether you're getting fitter, saving more money, or leveling up your skills, keep it to yourself. Not because it's a secret, but because when you stay quiet, your energy stays focused. The moment you seek validation, you lose momentum. So keep building, keep grinding, and let the results do the talking. Feel the pain and use it. This journey won't be easy. There will be days when you feel like giving up, days when it feels like no one's in your corner. Guess what? That's normal. Pain is part of growth. When it shows up, don't run from it. Embrace it. Every tough moment is like a badge of honor. Proof that you're doing the work most people won't. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Lock in on your goals. What's your end game? Do you want to run a 6-figure business? Have a body that turns heads? Master a skill that sets you apart? Whatever it is, get crystal clear. Write it down, visualize it, and keep it front center for your eyes only. You're not doing this for anyone else, so there's no need to share. Obsess over progress. Every day is a chance to get closer to your goal. Organize your life around it. Move closer to that gym. Take the class that gives you the skills you need. Drop habits that don't serve you. Make every decision intentional. And don't just wing it. Track your progress. Whether it's journaling, using an app, or a simple checklist, hold yourself accountable. Step 3. Reemerging like a boss. Fall in love with the hustle. Here's the real secret. The glow up isn't just about the results. It's about falling in love with the process. When you're working in silence, you're free from the noise and distractions. That's where the real magic happens. Over time, you will start to crave the struggle. Why? Because you know it's shaping you into someone stronger, sharper, and unstoppable. Step back into the spotlight, but different. When the time feels right, you can re-emerge. But this time, you're not here to flex or seek applause. You're here to live authentically and confidently. And here's a twist. by the time you come back, you will realize you don't even care about validation anymore. You've built a life and a version of yourself that you're proud of. That's the real flex. Own your new story. Your time in the shadows wasn't about hiding. It was about transformation. Now when people see you, they will feel the difference. But you will just be busy living your best life on your terms. This isn't just a glow up, it's a full-on reinvention. The best part, you don't need anyone's permission to start. Thanks for sticking around. If you're ready to keep leveling up, check out my last video on how to get ahead of 99% of people, where I dive deeper into mastering your mindset. And hey, if this hits home, make sure to subscribe. I've got more gems coming your way. See you in the next one, but until then, go build something amazing in the shadows.